the engine is a thing. Yeah, man, it sounds good.
That's really last lap.
Sounds good. It's the last lap. Car is hidden. The hidden car. Alright, so I'm outside. I'm up on the tour flight. Drone in the morning, to get some aerial shots of this thing. So I am going to see what's behind, well, what's underneath this, you know, this wrapping thing. I think, well, it's a car, it's obviously a car, but what type of car that behind it? The mystery car, you know? Early morning, yo, like the sun is so nice. The sun is so nice. The sun is so nice. Big bad drone pilot. So I'm on the road. Well, where we from there on the tour so far? Bagwalk. With Sarah.
Hi everyone.
Hi. Sarah. Last name? Mizer. You saw the name just that's unique. So I have the drone pilot over there. We're gonna reveal this car right here. Well, I can't wait to see what's underneath. You get me? Yo, don't last it in a dog.
Differently.
You don't even classify this as a project car, by the way?
I mean, when we got it, it was actually a pickup. The body was a pickup.
A what?
A pickup truck.
Which one was it?
No, it was like a NASCAR pickup truck.
Oh.
And, you know, the
like
wide
a stock
body,
car.
yeah, a stock car, yeah.
So the tube chassis came from that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So technically, they're called Pro Challenge cars.
Yeah.
So it's pretty much, it comes with one tube frame chassis and you can pick what body, and it goes from like Ferraris or trucks or whatever you want, whatever they come from. But we modified it because of aerodynamics. We modified it to be as aerodynamic as possible because the truck was not aerodynamic at all.
Yeah.
So we changed all the body fully in Jamaica.
So like a whole, even this massive spoiler is connected to the chassis. So
well, this was custom made, and it was made so that we can adjust it easier. So like here you'll see like we have measurements all over right there.
Yeah, you know, I was looking at the measurement, like what the measurement? Oh, so that means you can bring it up and bring it down if you want.
So So what's the two different motors?
Oh, snap. That's crazy. Oh.
Yeah. So you can-
It's
it's not active. But
What is it?
it's not active.
But that's
air,
dope.
we
But
can-
that's dope.
We can,
It's based
like
around
today we're
force.
gonna set it, we're gonna try it with different settings and see what handles better.
That's
It's
hydraulics,
better for
right?
what.
That's a hydraulic.
Alright, so tell me more.
Well, compress, that is.
Electrical. Oh, so tell me more about like what's it like?
The
You
body.
know, the body and the bodies, I should say.
Well, we started with the front off of the Mercedes GT, and then we went with the CRX and the Monte Carlo doors and the Supra Rare with the McLaren wing, and
McLaren wing.
Yeah.
Dope.
and we mimicked the aerodynamics of the undercarriage fully from the Radical. Yeah.
So what's
Bunch of cars into one.
under the hood?
What's the note? Well, that is a Hayabusa Gen 2. It's a back engine.
Oh yeah, I'm like what?
A back engine.
Like
Drag bikes, right?
Bro, them
I thought they were mostly used for drag.
Yeah, so people use them for the Pedro, but it's a touring bike. Sport motor.
so why didn't go for like a K? You told me, but just tell them.
VTEC? Why?
No, I mean like
Well, back engines are just easier to
work on.
maintain and to work on and to keep. And it already comes with the sequential, and it's easier to put the flat shifter and everything. And I
They're going to
forgot
roast
about
you.
that box.
Roasting VTEC in Jamaica, you break.
And you know, say all of the under
I
money.
always do that. Everyone's like, sorry.
The money they love.
But all of the under money, they love the VTEC engine. I'm like,
You know what's half of people have VTEC in them engines are just freaking the regular non-VTEC. B series.
it's a V series. Oh,
Carbon fiber fully.
So the wheels are the wheels are well 15. What's the size on the?
On the back, we changed it recently we have the DOTs, the Huzias, but I don't know what size we have on today from 255s. I know on the front we have the 225s, on the back we have 275s. Yeah. See how it does?
What 15s?
15s, yeah.
Then that regular with the what's the name of this? The case setup.
The two frame chassis. And here we have, I want to take this out. Battery, we have the AccuSub system. I want to put something on nitro. Just to give people like
On the stretches, I mean, just
No, like on the AccuSub, I want to put a sticker that says nitro. Just to give people issues.
give people
Trouble
issues.
I mean,
Yeah, so it looks like a nitro.
Yeah. Oh, so just take off the sticker that's on it right now.
Yeah, and just put nitro. Just people like, she has nitro in her car.
I don't know talking about
so
it.
the whole cooling system on the back and everything. The
Cooling
intake.
system? Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see all the tubes that run there to the rear brakes, and this is the oil cooled fan. You have to sit back here. That's the the fan is right on the hair. I don't know if you can see it.
Oh, a little. I think so, yeah.
You can see from this side.
Yeah.
That.
Cooling
And all
system.
these air ducts go straight to
How much air does you have?
a lot. Lot. You should see the fan. Paper pocket.
Carbon fiber.
This is dipped, right?
Airbox? No, that's carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Not me, could be dipped.
It look the.
I mean, no, it's not the way it could be. I don't know.
That was custom built.
Airbox. The man design really.
Yeah, we designed everything.
So that the airflow goes up into
Yep.
the.
We have all the air ducts to the brakes. Nova brakes love to heat.
Monday, yo.
What size are what kind of this? What kind?
Pardon me?
What kind coils are these?
They just changed them.
Yeah.
Lloyd, what brakes do we have on it now?
No, the coils.
The coils?
Yeah.
Oh, what's the name of it again?
Right.
Rego.
The shocks.
Yeah. It's actually a rally suspension.
Bro, it's just so clean. Like, really clean. Yo, what is this one was a bigger engine. Imagine this is a bike engine, bro. Is a brand new bike engine?
It's massive.
Mate, you see if you go on Google and look at the name of the bike, you'll see it's shaped weird, like a spaceship.
voltage, the fans are not working and the water pump's not working.
Oh,
right.
that's why it's not turning on.
Right.
But when I turn it on manually, it's coming on, because when I turn on the oil fan,
It's also not enough power to run ECU properly. So everything is limping.
Oh, so it's just a charge that has to charge?
Alright, so guys, today was a very fabulous day. Or them clean out the building. First never come over still. What a vibe, you know. So yeah, what? I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with this, with all of them footage here, but once I put them together, shit, forgot to say the outro. Forgot to say the outro. The outro, I'm tired of that. I'm gonna try to make it back before curfew, but curfew what? Like 8 o'clock.
What time, bro?
I have enough time still. So here what? I'm gonna see you again in another video. I don't know where I'll be, but I'm gonna see you again next time. Peace.